Duluth WeatherMax forecast with meteorologist Dave Anderson.
The last 48 hours in the snow belt were paradise for snow fans and a pain in the neck for those who don't like so much snow so early. But after 2 days worth of continuous lake effect, here are the grand totals for the biggest accumulators here. And of course, it's Iron County, Wisconsin that really set the benchmark here as far as snow goes. Guile, 15.5 inches. Hurley, Ironwood crossing into the UP there, 10 inches straight up. And Upson, up and coming at 8.8 inches. Well, the rest of us really just had a couple of flurries. Well, now the cold has come to call behind this snow, but it's going to be a fairly brief call because as early as tomorrow we get clouds and a chance for snow again. Heavy or light, I'll let you know with the latest chart in just a bit, but right now we've got the temperatures to talk about. This morning, 13 below International Falls, 13 below in Hibbing. Frankly, I thought maybe 7 below. Ely, 13 below as well. Even 8 degrees below zero in Solon Springs. Hot spot, Grand Marais by the lake. Ironwood, 5 degrees above zero. Tomorrow morning, not quite as cold. Probably 0 to 10 above rather than 0 to 10, 15 below. Current temperatures, well, down to 1 in Watersmeet, 8 Ironwood, 12 Ashland and Superior, a little bit warmer in Hayward, 14 Moose Lake, 10 Hibbing and Orrin International Falls, and 12 in Silver Bay. So again, we should stay above zero if only by a hair by tomorrow morning. And by the weekend, we warm up into the mid to upper 30s. Then we'll have to worry about chances of rain and snow mixes rather than the snow that folks in the UP had yesterday. And we can see that things have calmed down very nicely there. But the clouds are filtering back in advance of our next low pressure system, which is over towards the Dakotas. Much of the eastern U.S. colder than normal. And, well, towards the Dakotas, a couple of low pressure systems coming our way, fairly weak ones. Chances for light snow later on tonight and through tomorrow. And by the time all is said and done, I don't think we're going to get that much. Northern Minnesota, maybe a trace to an inch or so for many towns. Though once you get into east central Minnesota through northwestern Wisconsin, there's the chance, the better chance for 1 to 2 inches. So Friday night here in Duluth, just a little dusting of snow made things awfully slippery on the hills. So don't let those light totals throw you off. That may make things slick. Be careful tomorrow. Tonight, Minnesota, low temps as cool as 0 inland, maybe 12 right by the lake. 40% chance for flurries. That goes away fairly rapidly as things start to dry up. Single digits for Wisconsin and Michigan tomorrow. And then 40% to 60% chance of light snow returns tomorrow for Wisconsin, Michigan, highs in the mid-20s. And Minnesota, 40% flurry chance comes back again fairly quickly. High temps 20 to 25 roughly, maybe a hair warmer by the lake. Now with the extended forecast, it's downright cold today, frankly. Even the Ely boy says it's cold. Tomorrow, 24 for a high temp. We crack back into the 20s with that light snow chance. Then sunnier Thursday, Friday, getting close to 30. Then mid to upper 30s, maybe even 40 from Saturday through Tuesday. Each day features at least a little chance for a rain and snow mix, Tony.
Man, it was just bitter this morning. I was surprised to see on your map there the low temperatures from this morning. Almost nobody was above zero in our area.
Almost nobody, that's right.
Crazy.
Tomorrow, 100% better. Back
All right.
to zero.
Looking forward to that. Thanks, Dave.